folks. Well, out in the Wanderlodge, we were actually kind of de-winterizing to get ready for our camping trip this weekend. And it was actually Tuesday night last night, and I put some water into the system, and right away noticed I had a leak. So, you know how it goes. I got this opened up back here in the bedroom, but it was weird. The water was kind of coming out right over the inlet outside where the power box and all that is. It was just coming out all over there. And what it was underneath the bottom line down there. You see there's some moisture, but there's a crack. And it was just getting down into the floor and then coming down out of there. Anyway, I had blown this out with air last year, never had any problem. Blew it out with air this year, and well, I have a problem. So I was really surprised that happened, and hopefully that's the only leak. But I've got a plumber guy to stop by here in a few minutes, so we're hoping we can get this addressed pretty quickly so we can stay on track with our plans and hopefully find out that that's the only leak. Fun times. All right, I just finished buttoning everything back up. We had the leak repaired. Had a plumber come by and we got it fixed. He ended up bringing a reinforced flexible hose, and he just pulled it on each side of the cut pipe that he pulled the crack out of there. So it's worked nice and tight, and we didn't have any other leaks, luckily. So we were kind of on short notice because we're heading out of here. Tomorrow's Thursday. We're heading out of here Friday. It's Hot Springs weekend, our first camping trip, and it's kind of become an annual thing where we go down to the Arkansas Derby at Oak Lawn and do some horse betting with our friends, and they all got upgraded new rigs. So this should be a fun weekend. Everybody's going to be getting kind of used to some new stuff here. All right. More to come. We'll do some video on the trip, obviously.